just want to do a quick video showing the new pins. So two of ours, just basically the glue was busted on them or whatever, and they just kept pulling right out. And immediately, almost after we got them, we got the new pins. You can see that these top pins are quite a bit shorter. The bottom pins are the same length. So I'm not going to replace the bottom pins until I have an issue. But so these will just, I've already popped these out with a punch from the top. So we'll remove those. And then these do have these little wings on there. So you got to compress them. It's kind of a little bit of a process. I think Ernie on the video showed using like a pair of pliers or something. But now, when you push these up in here, you can probably hear them click. So no glue or anything needed. It's kind of stuck up in there, but. And now we get the bottom pins lined up and in. These top are shorter, so they can still slide over. These will move. Just push them down in. You can see they're not in there. You can still see the O-rings. Just push them in, and you're all set. So new pins. They are shorter. Pretty seamless. But like I say, I haven't seen a video on it, so I thought I'd do one real quick.